Well, Greg, the money we're talking about is coming from the $3 billion in federal aid given to the state of Washington. And the state of Washington's governor, Jay Inslee, says some of that money should be set aside for people like Dora.
I feel very sad, and sometimes I feel incapable of doing daily tasks.
Dora is afraid to have us broadcast her last name. She and her husband are from El Salvador, and they don't have proper documentation to be in the U.S.
This pandemic has caused so much stress and anxiety that I'm taking a lot of medication to calm me down.
Her husband got hurt on a construction job, and because of his immigration status, doesn't qualify for disability payments. They have 5 children and 2 grandchildren, and their only source of income, making and selling El Salvadorian food from their Seattle home. Dora says she struggles to support her family here and back home, where several relatives have COVID-19, and her mother, Marina, just passed away from it.
It's the right thing because we know COVID has taken a disproportionate toll on immigrants and communities of color, certainly in the agricultural industry.
Governor Jay Inslee wants to help families like Dora's. He's planning on giving $40 million of the federal assistance to undocumented residents impacted by COVID, and another $3 million to allow those who are sick and don't have paid leave to be able to afford to stay home and isolate.
I'm sympathetic to helping them. I just want folks to understand this comes at a cost.
State Senator John Braun, the top Republican budget writer in Olympia, says instead the state should be giving money to those who need it the most.
And that is unequivocally with our seniors, and in particular ones that are in long-term facilities. That's where people are dying, and I can't justify doing this and at the same time cutting support to our long-term care facilities.
The help from Governor Inslee definitely eases the pain. It's going to be very helpful for families like mine. I'm happy that it will make things a bit better, although it doesn't obviously heal a broken heart.
While her family needs help, Dora says despite everything, they have been able to stay positive.
I want to send a message to families like ours that we are strong and we are capable of overcoming anything.
That Republican senator and other lawmakers say instead of the governor by himself deciding how to distribute these funds, he should call other legislators back here to Olympia so they can have some consensus on how the state is spending this federal money. Live in Olympia, Drew Mickelson, King 5 News.